Hi guys, on today's video I'm going to show you my favorite exercise. If I were stuck on a desert island, I would bring this one with me. Okay guys, today I'm showing you my hands down my favorite exercise for the low back. If I were stuck on a desert island, I would bring this one with me. And it tends to work with most people. You have to have first been able to perform the prone lying and the prone lying in extension that I did in a previous video that I'll link to the YouTube, this video. But this one is called extension and lying, and I love it. If I do heavy deadlifts or heavy squats and I don't do this exercise, at least after, but preferably before and after, I will later that day have pain running down my leg. But if I do this one, it doesn't happen. I love this exercise. I've seen it work for hip pain, I've seen it work for hamstring pain, calf pain, or even that sciatica that people have that can go all the way down. This exercise can deal with any of those symptoms. So you're going to start on your stomach. Well, you're going to do it on your stomach actually. So here we are, extension and line. What you're going to do is have your hands so they're directly below your shoulders, and you're going to press up, and ideally you go all the way up, lock the elbows, back down. All the way up, lock the elbows, hold 1 or 2 seconds, and then back down. We're restoring, the lordotic curve's already been restored. We did that in the previous video. But now we're restoring end range extension. Okay, we're restoring end range extension. It's very important that you get to end range because that is where the magic happens. That's where you start getting greater pain reduction and increased mobility. If it hurts too bad at first, you might do some mid-range first. Just do what you can. But over time, you need to get to end range, locking those elbows, okay? And actually, I'm not at end range yet. In order to get to end range, I have to exhale when I'm at the top. So typically what we would do, you're doing 10 to 15 reps. On your last 3 reps, what I would do is lock your elbows out, exhale. And you'll feel that increase the extension force right in your low back. Okay, you're at end range when you're doing that. So you go up on your last 3, lock the elbows, and exhale. Okay, so this is extension and lying. Some people talk about, well, you're not doing it right because your stomach's coming off the mat. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Do what you can. There's some people, you get the gymnasts in here, their stomach can stay on the mat. They lock their elbows. I don't do that. My back doesn't do that. Lock your elbows, go up, lock your elbows. If your hips come off, if your low back comes off, that's all right, don't worry about it. Lock the elbows, 10 to 15 reps, and on your last 3, you're going to exhale. Okay, this is a great exercise, I love it. It isn't appropriate for everybody, but it is appropriate for probably most of the people with low back pain that I see. This is extension and lying. You do want to try to keep your butt muscles and your back muscles relaxed so you're doing all the work with your arms. Okay, extension and lying, 10 to 15 reps every 2 to 3 hours or as needed for pain. Typically, you're not going to just do 1 set and be better. You are going to have to do this throughout the day. But I've seen it do amazing things. Pain going all the way down to the foot, it gets rid of that. They have some back pain left, but they just keep doing it and it goes away. Okay. Sometimes what you might find, if you were having symptoms into your leg, as you start improving, the symptoms are going out of the leg, but you might have stronger symptoms in the back. That means more pain in the back, but that's okay. If the pain starts getting worse in the leg, don't do this exercise. But if you are doing it and the pain is coming out of the leg but getting more intense in the low back, that's okay. Keep doing it. 10 to 15 reps every 2 to 3 hours, and eventually even that should go away. All right? I'm Dr. Sam Schroetke here at Physical Therapy and Hand Clinic of Hillsboro with extension and lying. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the little bell so that you'll be notified each time we upload a new video. Share the video, like the video, and leave comments below. Let us know if you've tried this exercise for your low back pain or sciatica or both, and let us know how it worked for you. We'd love to hear from you.